Well, that afternoon cloud activity sure did start up pretty quick. Look at that rapid convection building off to the west, then leading up to a little bit of precipitation hanging out there way far out to the west near Lake Nasworthy, definitely trying to turn it into something while we're out there. But right now we're all hanging out in those triple-digit temperatures, pretty hot, but right now 110 in San Angelo. Everyone else going to be joining us here in a little bit as we continue this hot record-setting day. We're about on day 5 of those record-setting temperatures, and that's a little concerning when we talk about things that are built to deal with prolonged amounts of heat, and not many things, including myself. So we're looking at Sterling City and San Angelo currently with enough heat to see a lot of thunderstorm activity, but the one thing we are missing out there is going to be enough wind in the upper levels. Now, those winds usually stay up that fast and up that high. When we start to make our way down the Edwards Plateau, that's where we start to miss out on a lot more of that faster wind speed to pull up some of that moisture into the upper atmosphere. Right now, we have the right conditions. Dew points and humidity values are still pretty strong, letting us know that it's there for thunderstorm activity. Well, along with the heat, we just don't have the winds for it. They're just light and calm out of the west. If they were just a little faster out of the west, we could see a lot more convection build up, but it's just hot to evaporate. As we watch the upper level pattern, we're going to watch this low deepen from another low pressure system that's going to make its way across the nation, and then we're going to kind of divide in an area of high pressure and an area of low pressure. You're going to watch as this storm quickly pushes through, deepens that trough across the Great Lakes region, and then look at the size of this high pressure from Florida all the way out to Idaho, and we're right in the middle of it. So we're looking at a lot of hot temperatures, dry temperatures, making our way into the weekend. Right now we see the severe weather outlook deepening that trough as it pushes across South Dakota, and look at the size of these storms. Look how fast they're pushing through. Seeing a lot of thunderstorm activity bubble up right there in Arkansas, and then we get a closer look, seeing those thunderstorm warnings being issued for parts of just north of the Concho Valley, but we get a lot closer look, and we're looking at a lot of those storms developing right along this line of instability as it continues to push into our area, but quickly going to fizzle out. As you could see by tonight, it could turn into a lot more in those areas near Abilene, which we were talking about them having a lot of geothermal potential. Now, we do have a lot, just not the winds for it. Again, those southerly winds going to keep a lot of those storms you can see off to the north and to the east of us, really, and we need that to come down in that region. But we are talking about that high pressure and that ridging that's supposed to make its vicious return by the time we get to this weekend. So tonight we're going to be dropping down into those upper 70s, seeing a little bit of drizzle push into the area, and then tomorrow we're going to wake up and see another humid, cloudy start and make another run at those record temperatures at about 106, but could get a lot hotter than that as we continue to see a lot more of this high pressure advancing in from the east. Now, as we make our way towards that weekend from Thursday, we're going to continue to see those temperatures gradually level out at about 105, 106, but that doesn't mean we're not pushing into those record temperatures. Even though ERCOT has issued out that weather watch until Friday, we could still see it extended into next week, where we did see excessive heat warnings and heat advisories be extended out as well, even though they were set to expire long ago with that change in those temperatures. And then we start to make our way into that third week in August already, and we're still watching those temperatures really locked in there at those triple digits, while those lows continue to stay near in the upper 70s. Still seeing the humidity decrease as we make our way in those hotter temperatures, and then by the time we start to look in that long-range forecast, we start to see the humidity values return. We'll have more up after the break. You're watching KSAN News at 5.